Hi there, hi everyone, welcome back with the second regular puzzle in today's newspaper of Wednesday. Yes, it's the Wednesday, May the 4th, 2022, and today it's war day number 70. 70, yes. All right, the second regular puzzle is a medium Sudoku. Medium Sudoku number 44. No, not 4500. Yeah, 4500. And before I start, I always count the printed digits well. This one has 26 printed digits. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 star Sudokus, in the additional, this will be a 2 stars. And for a 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Alright, so let's get started. Let me see. How about in this column? We have 3 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing numbers is a 9 in this column. We have a 9 in this big square. So no 9 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 9 should be there. So 2 boxes left now in this column. 4 numbers are 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 8 goes there. Oh, wait. 9 in this column. 9 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 9 in this column, 9 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 3 places left for the 9 should be here, here, or there. We see there 9, no 9 there. There 9, no 9 there. The only place left for the 9 should be there. Alright. Okay. 3 in this row, 3 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 3 should be there. Then. How about, yeah. 8, 7, 7, 7, 7. Let me think. 5, 5. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We see here 5 in this row, so no 5 in these 2 boxes. Here 5 in this column, so no 5 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 5 should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in the column next. So last column, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 5 in the first column, 5 in the second column. So the first column, the only 3 places left for the 5 should be here, here, or there. We see there 5, no 5 there. Here 5, no 5 there. The only place left for the 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 5. Alright. Okay. Then 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row. So the row above, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 6 in this column, 6 in the column next. So last column, the only place left for the 6 should be here. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 6 in this row, 6 in a row below. So in the last row, only place left for the 6 should be there. 6 in the third column, 6 in the first column. So the column between the second column, the only 3 places left for the 6 should be here, here, or there. We see there 6, no 6 there. Here 6, no 6 there. The only place left for the 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 6. All right. Then let me see. Three missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers in this big square are the numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing, and the 8 is missing. 4, 7, 8, 4, 7, 8, 4, 7, 8, and look, we have a 7 in this row. So no 7 in these 2 boxes, so 1 box left for the 7, should be there. So 2 numbers left now in this big square, 4 numbers, 4 and 8, 4 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 4 and 8, okay. So we have a 7 in this row, 7 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 7 in the first row, 7 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here. And now I cannot continue with the 7. I need to wait. How about the 9 in this row? The 9 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row, so the row below, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. We have all the 9s, and all the 9s are used. I can see digit number 3 and number 9. Alright, 2 numbers left in this row, the middle row, for the numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, the 7, and the 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes. That means 1 box left in this big square for number 1. The 2 is missing. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 1 box left in this row for number 1. Yeah, 1. Okay. Then let me see. Interesting. 3 missing numbers in the second row. Those missing numbers in the second row are the numbers 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4 is missing, 5, 6, 7, and the 8 is missing. Yeah. 8, 3, and a 4. 8, 3, and a 4. Well, we have a 3 here in the last column, so no 3 in this box. Here, 3 in this column, so no 3 in that box. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. So now the 4 and 8, 4 and the 8. And look, we have a pair. 4 and 8. Here also a pair. 4 and 8. So 1 digit left in this column for number 1. Alright, 1 box left in this big square, 4 and 8 of course. We have a pair, 4 and 8. In the last column, 1 box left, the 1. The 2 is missing, yeah. 2 is missing. Alright, 3 missing numbers in the last row. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2 is missing, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 1, 2, 7. 1, 2, 7. And look, we have a 1 and a 2 in this column. So no 1 and a 2 in this box. The 1 and a 2 goes in those 2 boxes. It's a pair, 1 and a 2, 1 and a 2. We have a 2 here. So no 2 there, 2 should be here, and a 1 goes there. So 1 digit left in the last row for the number 7. 1 box left in this big square for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. 7 in this column, 7 in the third column. So the column between the second column, only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can see. This is number 4, number 7. Oh, wait. Okay. Let me see. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. So 1, the 2 is missing, the 3 and 4 is missing. 2 and a 4, 2 and a 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number in this big square is the number 2. We have a 2 in the first column, so no 2 in these 2 boxes here. 2 in this row, so no 2 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 should be there. 2 in this column, first column, 2 in the second column. So the third column, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see that 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. Then 4 in the first column, 4 in the second column. So the third column, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 1 box left in the third column for number 1, 2, the 3 is missing. 3 in the third column, 3 in the second column. So the first column, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 3 in the first row, 3 in the second row. So the third row, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in the last column. So the column between, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. So 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Here also 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. So 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and 8 goes there. Now we have an 8 there, so this box can't be 8 anymore. That box should be an 8, and this box should be 8, 4. Now we have an 8 there, so this box can't be 8 anymore. That box should be an 8, and this box should be a 4. Okay, now we have a 4 here, so this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4, and this box should be an 8. 1 box left in this column for number 1. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1, and this box should be an 8. 2 boxes left in this big square for numbers. So 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, and the 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here. And 8 goes there. Now we have a 4 here, so this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4, and this box should be an 8. Finish in 15 minutes. Told you, between 15 and 20 minutes I need for solving a 2 stars puzzle. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And before I leave, I'm interested in the center boxes of the big squares. Maybe you can see a pattern. Maybe I can see a pattern. I'm collecting those data for more than 9 weeks. After 10 weeks, end of this week, I will stop with collecting those data and share the data with you. We have here 635, 635, 589, 589, and 273, 273. Well, we have here the 5 as a pair and the 3 as a pair. 2 pairs. Alright, thank you. See you later. Bye bye for now.